Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick review of the GSI Toaster. I picked this up at mec.ca for $9. Coleman also makes a toaster. That can cook 4 slices. Probably not much heavier. It is bigger than this one, and but really you don't need any of this stuff to toast on a fire. But since I'm a gadget dude, I thought I'd pick this up. It's only, like I said, it's only $9. So let's just take it out of the pouch. So it comes with its own little stuff sack, and it uses a radiant grill, which I'll show you. So it doesn't weigh a lot. It's 165 grams, stainless steel. So let's just pop it out. So there it is right there. Let me just get that out of the way. So basically there's this mesh here. The only complaint I have about this mesh doesn't look like it's going to last long. And I've read reviews where, you know, someone got 10 uses out of it before it started to disintegrate. That's really not the end of the world. The rest of it is built really well. Like I said, it pops on there. And the mesh is to disperse the flame. And of course your toast doesn't go inside, it goes on top. So I'm gonna I got some toast here. Oh well, toast, yeah. Bread here that I'm going to try toasting, if I can find it, if it's not smushed. Where the heck is it? There it is. Now it's a little bit windy here on the waterfront, so I'll probably use my wind screen. If we can find that. Wind screen. So the wind's coming from the left a bit. Okay, let's see if I can get this done in 15 minutes. And we'll see how long it takes to cook a slice of bread on here. Yeah, wind's coming from the waterfront, of course. Okay. And, 1 second here. Let's pop a piece of bread on here. Like so. And of course we need to light it. So I'll just move that out of the way for a moment. Doop-a-doo. Yeah, so it I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah, you can. So it heats up, actually. It heats up the screen kind of like you would see in a toaster using. So let's give that a try. Toast that up. It's a nice evening. I mean, it's December the 13th, 2014. It's about 5 degrees Celsius. We've just been having amazing weather here in Halifax. Aside from the 100 millimeters of rain we had the other day, it's actually not bad weather. No, let me rephrase that. It's excellent weather for this time of the year. So that's actually not taking too long, is it? Wow, look at that. Is it the perfect slice of toast? Well, darn it. You know, you're out camping Now you can't complain. Let me find my my little knife. I don't think I can find it. I put it. Well, we do have butter, and I have to enjoy the toast. So what do I think of it? I like it. We'll see how long that mesh thing lasts. But I mean, can you really go wrong for $9? I know the I keep saying Canadian Tire, but the Coleman's one is indestructible pretty much. But it's not as easy to use it on one of these gas stoves, and that's what this one is designed for. Is more for using on a gas stove. So that's pretty much done. So let's spread some. Couldn't find my knife, so next best thing is a spoon, isn't it? And we'll give it a try. Yep, tastes like toast. So I like it. I was going to do a review in the house on it, but I wanted to do a real world test on it outside, and it takes it's actually faster than a real toaster. So that's my review of the GSI Toaster. I do recommend it initially. Well, let me say that again. Let me use it a few times before I recommend it. But you can't go wrong for $9, so why not? Thanks for joining me, and happy trails.